Constipation is something most people deal with at some point. It can be uncomfortable and, if left unchecked, can lead to other health issues. If you're not going to the bathroom at least once a day, chances are you're dealing with constipation. Sadly, many people don't even realize how important it is to address this condition. They just think it is normal and don't do anything about it, but trust me, it is not. So what is causing your constipation? There are 3 simple reasons why you might be constipated. The first one is lack of fiber in your diet. If you're not eating enough fiber, your colon has nothing to push out. Waste starts to build up in your intestines and gets stuck on the walls of your colon. Over time, this can become toxic and even harder to eliminate. No one wants to be stuck in that cycle, right? So make sure to eat fiber-rich foods. Your body will thank you. The second big reason is not drinking enough water. I've seen it time and time again. Some people don't drink enough water. The third reason is digestive issues. If your digestion isn't working properly, it'll affect your ability to eliminate waste. And most digestive problems are linked to a bad lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits. I've experienced it all: the bloating, discomfort, and frustration. When you eat healthy, nutritious foods and get enough sleep and manage stress, your digestion will improve, and so will your elimination. Now, how do you stop constipation and have a healthy, regular bathroom routine? Start by eating fiber-rich foods regularly. Foods like beans, lentils, buckwheat, rye bread, whole grains, fruits and vegetables like apples, pineapples, celery, and spinach are great choices. Just remember, balance is key. Too much fiber can be just as problematic as too little. If you're struggling to go to the bathroom, it's a sign that you haven't been eating enough fiber lately. The solution: increase your fiber intake and drink more water. You'll notice a big difference, and soon you'll feel the urge to go. One tip I want to suggest is squeeze a half a lemon into your water every morning. It can help jumpstart your system. Lastly, improving your digestive is essential. When your digestive system is healthy, your gut will naturally function better, and regular bathroom visits will become the norm. I recommend making fruits and vegetables a daily habit. Cook beans regularly. Many cultures outside of North America do this. Try making buckwheat pancakes for breakfast. And for at least 2 weeks, track your water intake to make sure you are drinking enough. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and wishing you a healthy, blessed day.